How to make your own sound on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now, firstly, you will need to shoot the video or select any of the video from your gallery. For this demonstration, I'm gonna shoot the video. After you shoot the video or select the video, at the right corner you're gonna find different option. Click on the option of music. With that, you're gonna find the list of the music. Likewise, you will also find the option of create sound. Click on it. You'll get two options, upload from camera roll or record sound. Select any of it. If you wanna use the sound of any other video, you can select the option of upload from camera roll. If you wanna record the sound right away, click on the option of record sound. I have selected record sound. Once you are done, you can give a name to the sound and click on save sound. To use your newly created sound, click on my favorites. Head over to the section of my sounds and over here you will be able to find your sound. Click on it. Now the sound will be applied. You can click on send to and send the snap. So this way you are able to make your own sound on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.